Assalamu alaikum, Dad. Eid Mubarak. Wa alaikum assalam, son. Eid Mubarak. Where's my Eid, Dad? Of course. Here you go, son. Instead of 200, can you give me two different notes of 100 and another 100, Dad? But why? I can't tell you, Dad. It's a secret. Okay. Here you go. Thank you so much, Dad. Eid Mubarak, Abdullah. Eid Mubarak, Dawood. And thank you so much for this beautiful gift. I love it so much. Don't worry about that. Here, take this. Is that your Eid? No, man, I can't take it. That's your Eid. Abdullah, I know you're sad because your father is not alive anymore to give you Eid. So I want you to have half of my Eid. Thank you so much, Dawood. Sometimes I miss my dad so much. But then I realized that I have a friend like you, and all of my sadness turns into happiness.